friends, welcome to my channel The Technical Tip with Sandeep. In my this video I'm gonna tell you how to do Gmail scheduling, right? Earlier we don't have a solution to use these settings, but now the Gmail came with the latest features which is available in all Gmails, right? Here I'm going to tell you show you the Gmail which will help you to schedule your mail. Just here I'm gonna type mail to myself, monthly DPR, right? Please arrange to provide me the monthly December 19 records Sandeep Misra. Here I typed a mail for the scheduling purpose, right? And with this mail I can save as a draft. Sorry. Monthly DPR. Please arrange to send me the monthly DPR. 6th December 19, right? Okay, this is the mail which I wrote for myself to reminding someone other for with the features to this, right? Select all, copy. Here I'm going to tell you how to just schedule the mail. Here I just click with the 4 dotted lines. Now schedule and send. Here I'm getting the 4 options which is related to for the scheduling. Earlier we don't have a facility to schedule a mail. Right now this is the inbuilt feature which has already introduced in November 2019, right? So here I'm going to do the schedule and send, and pick a date and specific the date can be customized. Here I'm going to the date of 7th of December with the time of this, right? So in that, suppose I want to change the time, then I can do this by pressing this. Then I am pressing minutes, then that is around 6:40, 45, 43. This mail would be delivered on this, then send, right? And that scheduling has been done. And another mail I'm going to type to myself also with another date and time which compliance reports your employee. Compliance report reminder to send me the before 8th of every month, right? RGDS Sandeep. Yeah, here another mail I have typed, and I want to schedule with another date and time so that I can just easily get with this. All right, so here I'm going to tell you with this. I'm getting with the 4 options with the 4 dotted lines, as you can see beside the this here schedule and send. Here again schedule and send, right? There are 4 mails which I have drafted with this. 6 December's mails. Alright. Now this mail would be delivered on of tomorrow 8 a.m. right. Here I having also options to cancel this or just receive this. I'm going to just add as sorry, cancel this. Before this I need to copy and all. Cancel send. Right, this mail has been cancelled and saved in a draft. Right, there I can just schedule this my mail, schedule and send. Here I can pick the date, that is sorry. uh, yes guys, as you can see I have scheduled two mails, which has already delivered on 6:48, and another mail which was delivered on 6:43. That was the two mail which I show you how you schedule by the Gmail. And now you can see these are the two mails. Here I just open this. These were the mails which I have already scheduled, right. In my this video I have already taught you how you mail, how you schedule your mail, as well as how you can cancel your scheduling mail if you want to change in a particular mail on given time. So thank you for watching friends, and please do like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get update of videos, and keep watching. Thank you.